Hi, welcome to my channel, Curly Tales. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe with Coconut Nutrition Apple Cider Deep Conditioner. This is what it looks like in the bottle. The claims of this product are that it deeply conditions, balances moisture, strengthens, and detangles while boosting hair's elasticity and shine. It's supposed to leave the hair soft, conditioned, moisturized, and manageable. It comes in a 12 fluid ounce bottle, and I got it for $10.99 at my local beauty supply store. Okay, so the directions of this product are you can use it as a deep conditioner or an instant conditioner. You're supposed to use it after shampooing with the Taliah Waajid Green Apple and Aloe Nutrition Shampoo. I didn't use that shampoo. For deep conditioning, it says apply to clean, damp hair, cover strands from roots to ends, and then cover your hair with a plastic cap. And then set under a dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. It says leave on your hair 10 minutes longer if you're not using a dryer. And there's also an instant conditioning option, and it says that you need to apply to clean, damp hair, cover strands from root to ends, leave on 5 to 10 minutes and rinse out. To help, you get an extra option as well. It says to help reduce excessive frizz, leave a little of the apple and aloe apple cider deep conditioner in your hair and comb or finger through, then towel dry before styling in or using an apple and aloe styling item. So I am going to start by wetting my hair. This is warm water. Usually when I deep condition, I just section my hair in half. I usually deep condition in the shower, so I'm trying to get my hair as wet as possible right now. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell, but this product is very liquidy. So I'm a little worried about that, but we'll see. I guess I really don't want this all over.
Milk and juice wash your money down the drain. Singles.
Okay, we're gonna go for it. Okay, it's liquidy, but it comes out kind of slowly. This is what it looks like on my hands. And I'm just gonna start rubbing it in. It smells like apples, kind of like a strong apple smell. I wouldn't say I like it, but it's not bad. I would say this product has a lot of slip. I'm liking it so far. I'm pouring a generous amount into my hands each time. Okay, now I'm gonna comb it out. Okay, now I'm gonna twist my hair up, clip it up, and move on to the other side. So now I'm gonna repeat those same steps on this side. Okay, that should be wet enough. It's looking good. Now that I feel like it's really finger detangled, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb. It's good to start at your ends, maybe doing a smaller section, and move towards the roots to help prevent breakage. Try to be as gentle as possible when you're detangling. Now that my hair is all combed through, I'm going to twist it up, and then I'm going to pin it up. Then I'm going to put on a plastic cap, and I'll be back to show you guys how my hair is looking after I rinse it out. I'm probably going to leave it in for about 30 minutes, like the bottle said. Okay, bye. Okay, so I rinsed the deep conditioner out, and this is what my hair is looking like. I have some definition. I wouldn't say it's the most moisturized it has ever been. It actually feels kind of dry. I don't know, when it felt kind of weird when I was rinsing it out. Like, I don't know. Like the water was kind of... like it didn't want to, I don't know, it just didn't really feel moisturized. That's what it is. But I don't know, it felt good when I was putting it on, but I wouldn't say it feels that great right now. It feels soft. I just wish it felt a bit less dry. So I don't know if I'm going to ever use this deep conditioner again. I probably will, since I paid $10.99 for it. But I'd probably give it a 3 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.